right? And I'm just going to put a couple dollops there. One. I'm using 2 instruments, 2 forks. You can use 2 spoons, whatever, just to get a little bit of that in there. And then, before we add our crab meat, here's, kimchi. Yes. You can't forget about our kimchi. We're going to put 2 little pieces of kimchi, or 1 thick piece of kimchi in here. This will work. Right here. Before we add our protein, which is the crab meat, the meat protein. Now, if I was in class teaching this in person, I would be most likely wearing gloves. You know, I would not be using my own utensils, all kinds of different things. Because this is virtual, it's totally different. So then I'm going to take my wrapper. If you can see me lifting up this end, I'm going to take my wrapper. It's very soft now, and I'm going to roll it over that side. Okay, I'm going to pick this up to show you a little bit better. So I took the edge and, okay, I rolled it over. Now I have a rice paper wall right there, and that's where I'm going to put my crab. If I was using shrimp, that's where I would put 3 beautiful pieces of shrimp, because that's what people are going to see. You want people to see what they're going to be eating. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to tuck like a burrito. Pull in the ends. And roll it. And then you end up with sort of this beautiful thing. Okay.
Can you eat rice paper?
Mm-hmm. Yes, this is totally edible. And this is very soft. Look, this is very soft. What?